Disneyland. I just got a good video for her.
Moji, are you happy to be on a road trip?
Yeah.
That was pretty clear. So we are over halfway to LA. We're heading towards the Grapevine. We're taking a little break. Moji had a delicious lunch at Burger King a couple hours ago. What'd you have to eat, Mo? Cheeseburger. What else? What else did you have for lunch? Did you have French fries? Yeah, French fries. And so things have been going very well. He's pretty relaxed and loose for the most part. Very excited. Neither of us have hit anything and are driving.
We're alive.
Yes.
And having a good time. Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
Alright.
Can you say it really loud? Like, yeah!
Yeah.
Oh, come on, louder than that.
Get excited! We're going to Disneyland!
Yeah.
Really excited!
Yeah.
Yeah!